This is Friday Field Tip number 12. Welcome to this week's Friday Field Tip. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of field conditioners, starting with a critical practice for infield maintenance. The nail dragging technique is a crucial play that keeps your field at its prime. Proper nail dragging is an essential cultural practice for routine maintenance. Neglecting it can lead to lip buildup and poor infield surface drainage, negatively impacting playability and safety. Nail drag the surface a 1/4 inch deep under ideal moisture conditions, typically after nighttime flooding and again first thing in the morning. If you want to flood without moving your conditioner, use the Underhill Rain Pro nozzle. You can thank us later for that tip. But never let that nail drag dig deeper than 1/2 inch. This technique can be your ace for drying out a slightly damp infield, but avoid the infield shuffle and keep it in the first 1/4 inch depth. Too deep, and you might alter your infield's grade, moving conditioner where you don't want it and creating uneven playing surfaces. Joining us this week is Luke Yoder from Dura Edge, here to share his insight on mastering the art of nail drag maintenance.
Grooved in about every 1/8 of an inch of this infield. Then you can take a key and it goes in and out easily and cleanly. You can even bend that key around and there's no chunks coming out. So this would simulate a player spike in and out easily and cleanly. So again, taking this material and smearing it around and depositing it into the cleat marks and your depressions is the job of the nail drag. You can see here, this is ideal moisture. You'll see the color turn from that darker conditioner to that lighter conditioner, and that's going to be your ideal time to come in with a mat drag to bust up some of these clumps, settle them down prior to the watering to set up for the game.
Thank you for tuning in to Friday Field Tips by Underhill, the trusted brand of professional groundskeepers for field maintenance and watering products. Stay with us for our next episode, where we'll explore how to renovate the mound.